Not that funny. Come back down. Come here. What? Affleck? It's not even your commercial, dude. You're something else, aren't you? He didn't bite me that hard, by the way. Just hard enough. It sucked. I still want a picture of you with him.
Well, I'm taking a video. Here.
You ready?
Just hold
Oh, is it ready?
Hold it. I'm just taking a video.
Oh, yes. Tell me it's Pretty Bird. Damn, no, Pretty Bird, come back down. We're trying to give you a home. You want a home? Uh-huh. Yeah, you know home, don't you? You know words. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, you do. Oh God. Xana, that's amazing. That's amazing. That. Can I turn it sideways and it'd be better?
No.
Yeah.
No, it's not better. It's fine.
Well, I can get you both in there if I do.
Otherwise, they tend to kill and eat the body.
Of what? What are you talking about? Oh.